Guys, the slash is starting to burn. It's the motor. Smoke was starting to come out of the body.
Oh! Oh
Look
gosh,
at that.
this really stinks.
You gotta turn that off.
Yes, it's off.
I don't know. Unplug the battery.
Oh, yeah.
Is that hot?
Oh man, I don't know what that was.
That just came out of nowhere.
Yes,
Seriously?
We were just driving around and then smoke started coming out. I thought I smelled something weird, but
yeah, I didn't think anything of it until I saw the smoke.
huh. Well, we'll have to see what that is. So guys, this really sucks that happened, but we have another one, so we're gonna put this on. A lot of people actually end up having these burned up, but they're still not bad. You just have to put certain types of oil and do maintenance on the motor, and it will last a lot longer. And this was actually only $26. So let's put it on.
Perfect.
Out of all the screws in the entire car, that one for the pinion gear is definitely my least favorite. Okay, so once you have these unplugged, you got the motor off. And make sure you take this off and put it on the other motor. Now let's put this one in. Okay, so if you could see on this shaft, there is a flat piece right there. And on this gear, there's a screw on top. You want to put the screw on top of the flat piece. I'm going to take this back bumper off to make this a little bit easier because you really need to screw this in super tight, and it's hard to do it without stripping it. And taking this off, it'll be a little bit easier to screw it in. Okay, so I didn't put this on aligned perfectly, so I'm just gonna slightly adjust that. Got it all fixed up and looking good. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to our other two channels, Speedsterz and Speedsterz Shorts. Subscribe so you can learn more about these Traxxas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.